Okay guys, so today we will learn how to create a virtual machine inside my VMware Workstation. So I have already installed the VMware Workstation Pro and I will just double click on this. So first I will click on create a new virtual machine. So here I will select the typical, that is the recommended one. I will just click on next. So here we will not be selecting the ISO file as of now. We will select it later. So I will select the third option. I will install the operating system later. Click on next. Here in the guest operating system, we will be installing the Windows Server 2022. So just click on next. So now we will need to provide the path where we will be saving the files. So I'm just renaming this file name to _2 and then I will browse to the location. So I'm saving out in the E drive. So I've selected the E drive and I've created one folder. Click on next. So here I will be storing the virtual disk as a single file. So I will just click on next. Lastly, I will click on finish. So now we will be selecting the ISO file. So I just need to click on this edit virtual machine settings. So first I will select the ISO file in the cd/dvd. So I will select use ISO image file. I will browse. So I have already downloaded that particular ISO file. I will just click on that ISO file, click on open. Next, here I have provided 2 GB of RAM and 2 number of processors. And next, I will select the network adapter. So I will create 2 network adapter. One is for the internal network. So I have selected VMnet one, and I will add one more for the internet, which will directly be connecting to my physical laptop network. So I just select the network adapter, click on finish. So this I will click on the bridge one, which will connect directly to the physical network. So that's it. We have done with the configurations. So I will just power on this virtual machine. I'll just press any of the key from the keyboard. So here I will just leave the default language, default time and currency and the keyboard format. I will click on next. Click on install now. So here I will select the operating system, that is the data center evaluation with the desktop experience. So I click the last one and I'll click on next. I will accept the license agreement, click on next. Here, which type of installation? So I will do the custom installation, that is the second one. So it's fine, I have provided 60 GB of hard disk. I will just click on next. So now the installation of the Microsoft Server 2022 is started. So it will take some time. Okay, so now the installation is going to complete and it will restart the operating system. Okay, so here we need to provide the administrator password. So I will provide the administrator password. I will click on finish. Okay, so we just need to click on Control Alt and Del. I will just click that option and just I will provide my password. Okay, so you can see my Windows Server 2022 is now configured and set this VMware Workstation. So I will show you the server details. So this is the server 2022 which we have just now installed. So that's it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.